Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to go ahead and start a YouTube channel in Namibia. So if you're in Namibia and you've always wanted to start a YouTube channel, this is going to be a full beginner guide for you to get started, what kind of niche you can get into, what kind of niche are profitable, and ways you can actually make money. I would also be showing you some free tools you can actually use to analyze your competitors, so you can actually create the right video and know the right video to create. With that said, let's dive straight into today's video. Alright, so as you can see, I'm on my desktop, and what you need to do is to open Chrome browser, or you can open any browser of your choice. And the next thing you want to do is to go to youtube.com. So you need a Gmail account. So if you don't have a Gmail account, go ahead and create one. And if you wish to use a new Gmail account for your YouTube channel, you can also create a new Gmail account. So once you've done that, log in on YouTube, and what you want to do is to click on this top right section. Click on this top right section. You're going to see this called create a channel. So you're going to click on create a channel, and it's going to ask you what your channel name should be. So I'm going to put, okay, then confirm. Make sure your handle is something that is easy to remember. And you can also select a picture at first if you wish, but if you don't want to select a picture, you can always do that later. Let's say, for example, you don't have a picture to put right now, you can leave that and do it later. So I'm going to click on create channel, and as you can see, it's going to create my channel. It's creating my channel, and as you can see, my channel has been created. This channel is called Make Money in Namibia. So this is a new channel, as you can see right here. For this kind of channel, I want to focus on creating videos about making money in Namibia. All right. So what do I need to do, and what do you need to know? Now, there are a few things that you need to note. One is you need to know the kind of niche you're going to get into on YouTube, and there are various types of niche you can actually get into. There are so many niche you can actually get into. Number one I have here is technology. I have technology, I have finance, I have news, and I have vlog. So technology, finance, they are amazing niche to go into. And we also have gaming niche. You can also get into gaming. If you're actually good, if you love playing games and you want to share entertaining gaming content, then you can go into gaming niche. So let's start with technology. Let's go ahead and search. You can search tech, or you can search for. So when we talk about technology, there are so many things that are into technology. Number one is you can create videos concerning how to guides. You can create phone reviews. You can also you can do a day in the life, or when you're using a particular phone, more of like a vlog. It's more of like a combination of vlog and combination of technology. So we have different niches in technology. So coming to finance, in finance there are so many niches you can actually get into. We have the make money niche. We have the you have the crypto niche, where you can share videos concerning cryptocurrencies. We also have niche. We have so many niche that I can't really talk about right now. And the next one we have is gaming niche. So a gaming niche is where you create content, you create entertaining content based on any game. So if you love playing Mortal Kombat, you can create videos around Mortal Kombat. If you love playing Call of Duty Mobile, you can play Call of Duty Mobile, and you're going to get views for it. For example, let me show you one of my gaming channels. So I have a gaming channel called Plays. So this gaming channel, I create entertaining videos. So if I click on my videos, you're going to see you can actually see most of my videos, and I play I won't say the game is not too saturated. This is called One State RP. So this game is similar to GTA 5, but GTA 5 RP, where similar to GTA 5 RP, but this one is for a mobile phone. All right, so if I come to the popular, you can see popular. I'm trying to show you my most popular video on this gaming niche. So you can see right here, this is the first one. This is robbing people in One State RP. You can see this one, I became a cop at One State RP. So you can see most of these videos I have here, most of them have huge views. So the next one is news channel. So on news channel, what you do is you create content around news. Let's say, for example, you don't have to do what the news agency are doing, but yours should be a little bit different and entertaining. For example, you can share news concerning what a new celebrity did today. You can share a news on what happened in a particular area, but making sure it's entertaining. All right, how vlog works is you record what's happening every single day in your life, and you share it with people on YouTube but make sure it's entertaining. People don't just want to watch videos concerning of what's happening in your day. Nobody cares about your day. So in order for you to get views, you need to make sure every single day of your life is entertaining. All right, make sure it's entertaining, not just boring. So now let me show you a particular tool that's really amazing. There are two tools. One is called VidIQ and the next one is called Tubebuddy. I make use of Tubebuddy a lot, and Tubebuddy is really amazing. So the next one is Tubebuddy. So what they do is, what you need to do is to just come to Tubebuddy or come to VidIQ. Both of the tools are similar. All right, both of the tools are similar. So what you just do is you go ahead and install their Chrome extension. All right, install their Chrome extension for that. So that's that. So this is a Chrome extension for Tubebuddy, and this is the Chrome extension. Let me go back to the Chrome extension for VidIQ. So this is the Chrome extension for VidIQ. So I'm on incognito mode and I can add the particular extension to my Chrome, but it's already on my YouTube. So what this tool does is ensure your content or the video you're about to create is good. And what do I mean good? It means that's good amount of search volume, no much competitors on that particular video like this one you're watching right now, and a lot more. Now the next thing you want to do is to go to your channel. I haven't taught you how to go ahead and access your channel. So if you click here and click on view channel, you will be able to view your channel. If you want to go ahead and enter, there's something called YouTube Studio, and YouTube Studio is where you manage your channel. So this one, yes, you might say, is how your channel looks like. So if you want to manage your channel, click on the top right icon, then go to YouTube Studio, and you're going to get access to YouTube Studio. So as you can see, by default, your YouTube Studio, you have 0 videos. You have 0 videos, 0 views, 0 subscribers, every single thing is 0. So let me explain what the dashboard looks like. So this dashboard section is where you're going to see most of your overall analytics, your video performance on YouTube. Then this content section is where you're going to see content you've posted on your YouTube channel. So you can see right here, my videos is 0. And if you come to analytics is where this analytics is going to give you an overview of what's going on in your channel. The number of views you get every single day, the number of watch hours you get every single day, your subscribers, and a lot more. So if you come to the community section here, you're going to see when you comment, you're going to see comments on your YouTube channel. You're going to see them in the comment section, in the community section. Then this subtitle section, this is where you can actually subtitle your videos, and in subtitle your videos is going to show in the subtitle section. Then copyright is where you can actually issue copyrights to other brands that are making, other channels on YouTube that are making use of your content. You can issue a copyright infringement on them, and you can also get, and if you get copyright infringement, you're going to see them on this section. Now if you come to earning tabs, you notice that there are a few things you need to do in order for you to get monetized on YouTube, and this has to do with making sure you reach a minimum of 1,000 subscribers and a minimum of 4,000 watch hours. All right, so if you scroll down, you can see right here, minimum of 1,000 subscribers and a minimum of 4,000 watch hours. Now you can either make use of long form videos, or you can make use of short form videos. Now short form videos are like the vertical videos you see on YouTube, where you watch the vertical videos you see on YouTube, where you like similar to TikTok, where you just scroll and you see a lot of videos there. So that's how the shorts work. And even though you can actually get 10 million views using shorts, fine, you can use that. You can use shorts and get monetized. But if you can't, just stick with the long form. Long form is very easy for you to create long form videos and put them out there. Now if you come to the customization section, this is where you can put in more information about your channel. So like I said, we created a new channel, and you can add description of your channel. You can add description a little bit, and if you come down here, you can add links to your channel. Let's say for example you have a TikTok account, you can put your TikTok, you can put your X account, you can put so many more. And if you come to the audio library is where you can actually get new sounds to make use of in your video, right? So you can download this sound. Maybe you want to have a background sound in your video, you can come here and download it. For me, I don't really make use of audio. I don't make use of this audio library. So with that said, that's all you need to know about YouTube and all. So if you come to the settings section, you can do, there are little things you can actually tweak. You can tweak the currency. If you come to country of residence, you notice that Namibia is not really listed, and it doesn't matter. You can still manage a YouTube channel, right? So you just leave that. So if you come to uploads, you can see uploads. You can put in, you don't need to put anything on your upload defaults, your permission. You can leave your permission like that, and that's all. So now, like I said, you need to install those plugins, install the VidIQ, install Tubebuddy, and let's go back to YouTube. So if you want to get video ideas that you need to work on, you come to YouTube search and you search that particular idea. Let's say you want to, make a video concerning, um, let's say vlog in, let's just say vlog in Namibia. So if I click on vlog in Namibia, as you can see right here, this is a popular YouTuber, as you can see right here. So you can see it got about 6.2 million views for making a vlog and talking about Namibia in his video. And you can see this one, my trip to Namibia. You can see this person is trip to Namibia. You can see the person got about 7,370 K views. So you can see so many videos right here with a lot of views. So you can make, if you're in Namibia, you can make videos around Namibia and you're gonna make money from it. So you want to do your YouTube research. How you do your YouTube research is you come here. Let's say for example you want to make 10 places to visit in Namibia. As you can see right here, 10 places to visit in Namibia. You can get the title and you just make your research and look for those 10 places you wish or you want people to visit in Namibia. And when you make those videos, when you get a list of those 10 places you want people to visit, make a compiling list, compile all of them together. And what you want to do is to work on your videos. Maybe you can go out there, shoot a video at on most of these places, show them how it looks like, show them how much it costs to go to each of these places, and that's all. And once you've done that, you can edit your video. And if you want to edit your video, you can make use of a tool called CapCut. So if I open CapCut right here, let me open CapCut on Google so you can see CapCut right here. You can install CapCut on your desktop or on your mobile phone, depending on depending on your editing style, basically. So for me, I make use of my desktop, so I make use of the CapCut desktop. So you can install the CapCut desktop to enable you edit your recorded video on, and you can go ahead and use it to. So once you've edited your video, you can go back to the YouTube studio and you click on upload your video, put in a title, a captivating title, similar to the ones you saw on YouTube. All right, then like I said, like the one we saw right here that says 10 places to visit in Namibia. You can also make use of same title, 10 places to visit in Namibia, and you upload it and boom, when people watch your video, you're going to get views and eventually you'll be able to meet the 4,000 watch hours. So with that said, I can end my video right here, and I hope you found a lot of valuable tips in this video. And if you did, kindly subscribe to the channel, and also don't forget to leave a like in the video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.